game is senior category, play between Barangay 5 Size versus Buyuan Casilaya. Dali lang guys ha. Ayos ko pa.
Nag-out ng number 3, hindi mo perdido na
ang first na
mula sa Buyuan. Number 2, libo na ball, nadapat na pasahan. Number 2, pinalagi sa 17, dapat na pasahan natin sa nilay. Tumira sa 3, no good. Rebound sa 5 sa bola. Number 19, pinasa kay 15, dinatag ng 6, naginawa talon, tumira sa 3, BAM! I love it. Bola sa Buyuan. Number 17, tumira, long 2, long good, rebound sa 5 sa 6, Helmer pass kay 28, dribbling the ball. Dinatag kay 6, Tumiretso! No good, rebound sa Buyuan. Jersey number 2, nadala sa bola. Number 2, Tumiretso, pinapasahan, dinatag kay 6, 33, dribble the ball, gusto ka, 1-2 and shot, basket! With a smile. Helmer pass kay number 6, no good. Rebound sa Buyuan, nila sa bola, Buyuan yung the ball, number 3, 1-2, 5 sa side, jumper, basket. 20, nila sa bola, 19 sa 5 sa 8. To number 6 to 19. Kinatay sa sentro, 15, jumper, basket. Bola sa Buyuan, 17. Nakita pasahan, kinatay sa side, setting a play to 33, there's the ball, pinasa sa side, kinatay ng 3, pinulong niya sa tunga, 17, 7 to shoot, tumira, basket! Bola sa 5. Sa 5, madalas ang bola, 19. Nag-set sa play. Ara na, ginpasa na kay Teonso, kinata Teonso. Jumper! No good. Rebound sa Buyuan. Buyuan madalas ang bola. 2-8. 4-3. Buang bola. Bola sa 5-6. 19. Dribbling the ball. 19. Pinasa sa Sagwan. 28. No good. Rebound sa Buyuan. Nakita pasahan. Buyuan nila sa bola. Ipas pa yung nagtitignan mo na ball. Pinasa sa side. Pero nakuha sa 5 sa 6. 11. Dribbling the ball. Fast break. 2-6. 15. No good. Deflected by Buyuan. Buyuan nila sa bola. Ipas sa side. Fast break. 3. Release. Basket. 2 points. Nakuha sa Buyuan na ganang bola. 33. No good. There's a whistle. Buyuan ball. Timeout team 5-6. This timeout is brought to us by Minute Right. 3 minutes and 56 seconds remaining time in the first quarter. CTGS ang score, Apanse ang Buyuan. Back to the bogey, bola sa 5. Buyuan po, sorry. Bola sa Buyuan. 17 to shoot para sa Buyuan. Buyuan yan sila yan ulit. Number 2, jumper! No good. Rebound sa 5-6. 5-6. Dribbling the ball, jersey number 19. Nangita pa sa tinatag sa upon, number 6. Matagin 15. Nangita pa sa yung play. Kato center, Lopez Capos. Great shot, but there's a whistle. 30-day foul, pushing foul, Akong shooting, 2 shot para kay jersey number 50. First throw. Basket.
Nag-cancel ang tipal. Okay,
15 again. Basket again. Buyuan adalah sang bola. Buyuan ang sila number 2. Inatagay 33, jumper. No good. Rebound agad sang Buyuan. Inatag sa upon. Dribble. Nakita pa sa inatagay 17. Fake and drop. 1-2 shot and basket. 5-6 ang bola. 2-15. Domerecho. No good. Rebound sa Buyuan. Gagawa yung bola. Pero nakuha din sa Buyuan. 7-10. Pasang kay Antay sa Antay Chris. Basket 2 points. 5-6 again. Kadalasang bola. 19 to 6 to 15. 14 to shoot. Ara na. Lopez. Turn around. Jumper. Basket. Bola sa Buyuan. 2 minutes and 27 seconds remaining time in the first quarter. 17. Dinala sa tuna. 1-2 and drive. 2 points. Bola sa 5-6. 19. Fast break to 6. But there's a whistle. Out of bounds. Substitution. Both teams. Sunod. 2 minutes and 12 seconds remaining time in the first quarter. 11-16 ang score. Apanse ang Buyuan. Buyuan karon kadala sa bola. 24. Ginanang sa 4. Tumira sa 3. 3 points. 16 to 19 sa 5-6. 5-6 kadala sa bola. 15 to shoot, to 16, to 19, idala sa center, pasa sa side, open ang 11, idala sa 3, no good, rebound sa Buyuan. Buyuan kan sila yan, pinatag sa upo, Domerecho, pasa abang 33, but there's a whistle. 19 foul, hitting on the head, act of shooting. Free throw, full free throw para kay jersey number 33. First throw. No good. 33 on his last throw. Substitution. Bulang karon sa 5-6. 1 minute and 34 seconds remaining time in the first quarter. Number 19 to 16. Nakita pa sa Tibalen kay 19. 19, ginhatag sa kilid. 16, jumper. No good. Rebound sa Buyuan. Buyuan ang napasa. Ginhatag sa upon. Kitala sa bola. Kitala sa front court. 24, dribble. Diretso drive. Pinasa sa side. Hatag sa shite. Tumira and fade. Drive. Pasiyan po sa babaw. 30 to shoot. Tumira sa press. No good. Rebound sa 5-6. 19 kadala sa bola. 19 drive. No good. Rebound sa Buyuan ng Silayan. Ginatag sa upod. 24. Domerecho. Ginatag sa Sagwa. Tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound natin sa Buyuan. Jumper no good. Rebound sa 15. Sa 5-6. Kadala sa Pula. 35 seconds. This is 15 to shoot. Domerecho. 15. 7 to shoot. Basket 2 points. Shot clock off 17 seconds. 15. Buyuan Tansilayan number 7 to 24. Ginatag sa upod. Dribble. Tumira sa 3. Basket 3 points. That's the end of the first quarter score. 23-13 Pula or advancing ang Team Buyuan Tansilayan. Back to the ball game. Mula karon sa 5-6. Size ball. to 6 to 16. Dribble the ball. Pagkasan. Pinakagay ni Sonson. Pinakagay ni 11 sa bola. Dribble. No good. Dribble natin sa 5-6. Follow up. No good again. Mula sa Buyuan. Buyuan Tansilayan ball. 7. Tumira sa 3. No good. Dribble sa 5-6. Number 6, Inatag kay 16, 10 to shoot, to 16, tumira kay 18, no good, rebound sa Buyuan Tansilayan. Buyuan Tansilayan bringing the ball, jersey number 12. Inatag kay 24, ibalik kay 12, sa tingnan play, tumira sa 3, 3 points. Number 6, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay 11. 11, nagaposte. But there's a whistle. Foul number 24, holding foul on the floor. Outside, substitution. To 19 to 16, traveling violation. 8 minutes and 32 seconds remaining time in the second quarter. Tumira, no good. Mula sa 5-6. 19, dribbling the ball, nakitapasan, inatag sa upod side, inatag 11, fade away shot, basket, 2 points. Uy, naagaw sa 5-6. Number 6, dribbling the ball. Setting a play. Number 6, nag-drive, inatag open, 28, dribbling, and follow up, no good. Italas Sagwa, 16, jumper, no good again, rebound sa Buyuan Tansilayan. Buyuan Tansilayan nila sa mula 24 to 7, nag-fake 7 jumper, no good. Rebound sa Buyuan sa 5-6. Number 6 to number 19, 19 kinala sa bola, kinatag 11 sa deflect, nakuha sa kuyuan, kinatag sa uport, 21 kinala sa bola, kinala sa frontcourt. Domerecho, bander sa whistle. 19 foul, illegal use of arms, act of shooting, 2 free throw para kay 24. 2 second personal foul, first team foul. Basket. Basket again. Substitution. This is Nueve kinala sa bola. Ginatagay sa Hills. To 15. Ginatagay is 90. Domerecho. Na-deflect ang bola. 7. Basket. Number 6.
Wilson Jr.
Number 6 foul, blocking foul mula sa 5 sa is. Three points para kay jersey number 11. Madalas ang bola. 4-3, no good. Rebound sa 7, 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound or bola sa 5 size 11. Domerecho with a throw. Ang bola yapon. 19 to 15 for 3. No good. Rebound sa buyuan lang sila yan. 24, Domerecho, no good. Kuha yan po na number 7 sa buyuan lang sila yan. 24 to 6. Tumira sa 3, no good. Rebound naman sa buyuan lang sila yan. Domerecho, no good. Rebound naman sa 5 sa 5 sa sa bola din sa number 19, but there's a foul. Number 12, holding foul. Bola karon para sa 5 sa is backward 24 shot clock. to 6.
Ano next game?
No good.
Parara sila.
Na-deflect ang pasa. Buyuan ng silayan. Pinasa 12, 7 ng pace. Basket, 2 points. Time out, team 5 sa is 5 minutes and 18 seconds remaining time in the second quarter. Lapit na lang tabak, mandatory time out. 18-32 ang score, abatse ang buyuan kan silayan. Back to the ball game. Smile sila sa kamera. Bola karon sa 5 sa is. Nakita pa sa 20 to 9 to 6 9 to shoot 15 what a foul. Mandatory timeout is brought to us by Mayor's Cup. Sino ang sulat sa Okay. Both these, wala man dyan, oh. Pwede ka sila eliminate player. Back to the ball game. Basket count, Bula Kabuyuan. Bula karon sa Kabuyuan, 4 minutes and 59 seconds remaining time in the second quarter. Bula karon sa Kabuyuan, Kansilayan, Natag Ayos to 3 to 77 to 2 to 77, dribbling the ball to 2 again. No good. Rebound by jersey number 6 of 5-6. 5-6 kadalasang ulan, kadalasang front court to 19. Saring ang play, jersey number 19, kinatag sa S. Nag-fake, nagtapasan, kinatag kay 19. 10 to shoot, to 6, tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound sa Kabuyuan, Kansilayan to 33. But there's a whistle. 19 foul. Illegal contact to the hand. 2 shot. Para kay 33. Third personal foul, second team foul. Second team foul pa lang. 33 again. No good. Rebound ni DCBB karon nagdala sa Bula. Dominant sa tunga, floater, teardrop no ball, rebound again sa 5-6. Nag-break and tagay 11. 1-2 drive. Easy 2 points. Mula karon sa Kabuyuan, Kansilayan. 77 dribbling the ball. Setting up 20, pinatagay 2, tumira sa 3. No good, rebound sa 5-6. 11, fast break to 6. 6, easy 2 points. Lapit na lang malabon ng abansi or magagangan sa Kabuyuan ang score. 3 points. 11, sa 5-6, kinatag kay 19. 19, kitala sa Bula, dribbling the ball, kitala sa front court. Domerecho, kinatag sa upon, nag-break, rebound, pinalik kay 19. Nabuya ng Bula pero ginahatag inside. 15 feet, 3 seconds violation. Bula sa Kabuyuan, Kansilayan. 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time in the second quarter. Kabuyuan, Kansilayan, kadalasang Bula, jersey number 77. Binaling pa sa 77 tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound sa Kabuyuan, Kansilayan. Held direct pass to number 6. There's a foul. Act of shooting. 77 foul. Pushing foul. Act of shooting. Free throw karon si jersey number 6. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ang Kabuyuan, Kansilayan. First throw counted. Basket. Bola kanan sa Kabuyuan, Kansilayan. To jersey number 2, to 3, to 77. Tumira sa 3. 3 points. To number 15. To 11. 11. No good. Rebound sa Kabuyuan, Kansilayan. 33. Pinasa sa upon 77. Easy layup. To number 6 of 5-6. Number 15. Turnaround jumper. No good. Rebound sa Kabuyuan, Kansilayan. Nagdala sa Bula 17. Pasa sa side, 33. No good. 28 lang itapasan. To 6. But there's a whistle. Foul number 3 out of shooting. 2 free throws para kay jersey number 6. 1 minute. First personal foul. Penalty situation, basket count. 1 minute and 49 seconds remaining time in the second quarter. Number 6. Basket count. 77 to 2, tumira sa 3. 3 points. 19 to 6. Pero na-deflect. There's a whistle, say ball, good defense coming from the Buyuan Kansilayan. 1 minute and 34 seconds remaining time in the second quarter. 19, dribbling teardrops, no good. The rebound sa Buyuan Kansilayan na deflect, hatag 77 direction. 2 points for jersey number 77. Number 6, Don Derecho. $77. 3 points. Number 6 to number 19. No good. No good again. Ginhatag kay coach, pero si coach hindi ka uyon. Bisita ka na. Mula karon sa 5-6. 19 to 6. Na-deflect, nakuha sa Buyuan Kansilayan, ginhatag 77. Traveling violation. $11 to 6. There's a whistle. 17 foul. Mula substitution. Sorry, penalty situation. Salamat, sorry. First round, no good. Second round, basket. That's the end of the second quarter. Score 29-49 in favor sa team Buyuan Kansilayan.
Libre. One minute lang. Rep, 1 minute na, rep.
1 Blue and ball.
Third quarter. Wow. Bawas ako mo.
Number 77. Pass to number 2. Pass to 7. Pass to 77. Pass to 24. For 3. No good. Rebound to number 15. Pass to number 16. Pass to number 16. Tumira. 2 points. Number 77. Number 19. Pass to number 16. Pass to number 19. Number 19, ang dribble. Pass to number 16. Tira. 2 points for number 6. Three points. Number 16. Pass to number 19. Number 19. A dribble. Pass to number 16. Rebound for number 3. Number 3.
Si Ding.
Panaw na, sir.
Panaw?
Si Ding.
Ano pat yan? Pat yan?
Ay.
Number 19, ang drive. 2 points. Number 77. Number 77. 5. A dribble. Pass to number 7. Tira, 3. No good. Rebound to number 15. Pass to number 18. No good. Rebound to number 7. Pass to number 24. Pass to 77. Tumira 3. 3 points. Number 19. Pass to number 15. Tumira. 2 points.
Sermon ako.
Eh, sige. Sige.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Number 8. First personal foul.
First team the foul. Number 6, foul to number 19. Domingo. Nabubo. A drive. No good. Rebound to number 8. Pass to number 77. Number 77. Pass to number 9. 3. Number 3. Pass to number 7. No good. Still. Number 6. Pass to number 19. 19. Pass to number 18. Basket. Number 77. Kumira. No good. Rebound to number 15. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 18. Number 18. 19. Number 77. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 24. No good. 24. Pass to number 77. Rivera. No good. Number 19, pass to number 16. Number 16. Number 16, pass to number 2 points. So number 16. Number 77, pass to number 7. Pass to number 24. A try. Pass to number 3. Kumina try. Tubig. Rebound to number 15. Para sa naka-blue. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 16. Kumira. Tubig. Rebound to number 14. 7. Number 16, pass to number 18, pass to number 6, pass to number 15, Tumira. No good, rebound to 77, pass to number 24, Tumira. No good, rebound to number 7, rebound to number 77, 2 points. Number 19. Number 19, pass 2 points. 77. 77. Foul.
Wait lang.
Foul number 7. Foul number 77. Foul number 77, second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 19, pass to number 66. Foul to number 19, pass to number 6, pass to number 24, 28. Number 2, Bunga Tres. Good. Rebound to number 6. To number 19. Number 19, a dribble. Mira, 2 points. Number 24, pass to number 7. Tumira 3. No good. Rebound to number 28. Still to number 24. Pass to number 2. To 24. tumira ng 3. May foul. Foul number 28. Second personal foul. First foul. First through, no good. Second through para sa 24. No good again. Last throw. No good. Number 19. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 15. Number 15. May foul. Number 7, first personal foul. First foul. 30 foul. Number 2, jersey number 24, pass to number 4, pass to 14 to shoot. Jersey number 11, nag-drive, tumira, no good, rebound to number 12, pass to number 7, pass to number 33, no good again, pass to number 7. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 6. Debo, tumira. 2 points. Number 7. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 7, pass to number 24, pass to number 33, pass to number 2, tumira 3. 3 points. Number 6, pass to number 15, pass to number 6, pass to number 15, tumira 3, no good. Able to number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 7, pass to number 24, tumira 3. Good, rebound. 23, 2 points. Wow. Number 28, tatlo ronda. Foul. Two points. Number 16. Seconds. 15 seconds. Good. 5 seconds. 2 points. Tirana. And the fourth quarter. third quarter.
Running score. Dalawa, running score. So that's the final score, guys. That's the end of the third quarter. Score 69-51. PT for Buyu and Katsinay. Usap kulat. Next game, guys. Right after this, we have the last game is Cordoba versus Tarara. Seniors category.
First, up to the board.
This is the second to the last game. We're now in the fourth quarter of the game.
Number 19. Pass to number 6. Tumira Andres. Good. Rebound to number 6. Tupuyon. Number 6 is 17. To number 2. 3, 4. Number 19. Number 19, pass to number 11. Number 11, still number 2, go on. 2-4. 33. Number 6. Pass to number 15. Number 17. 2-4. Number 22. No good. Rebound to number 12. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 2, Tumira Andres. Good. Number 17. 2-4. Jersey, number 12. Jersey, number 11. Agrego. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 11. 2-4. Number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Tumira Andres. Good. Rebound to number 6. Tubuyon. Number 17. Pass number 2. Number 6. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 11. Tumira. Good. Rebound to number 6. Tubuyon. Number 2 to number 19. Number 15. Agrego. Tumira. Good. May foul. Number 6, second personal foul. First in foul. Football. Jersey number 16, pass to number jersey number 11. 2 balls. Jersey number 6, Tumira. Good. Rebound to number 19, pass to number 6. 2 balls. Number 4. Pass to number 17, pass to number 33, Tumira 3, 3 balls. Number 4. Two balls, well jersey number 33. 2 balls. Number 2. Pass to number 4. Tumira 3. 3.
Gabanyes, shout out. Next game, yes. Gabanyes, may next game pa kita, Parara versus Cordoba, seniors category.
Number 17. Number 17, pass to number 77, pass Tumira. 2 points.
Otet, shout out.
Number 6. 2 points again. 77. Pass to number 33. Try. 2 points. 17.
Remaining time 4 minutes. Still
Pass to number 6.
quarter.
Number 3. Good. Number 6. 2 points. Jersey number 77. Pass to jersey number 23, pass to number 77, pass to number 12, pass to number 6, Tuminatres, 3 balls.
Shout out kay Toto CG sa Buyuan. From
Jersey 77, pass to number
Balnakin.
4, jersey number 12, pass to number jersey number 77, Tuminatres, no good. Rebound to number 28,
Remaining
pass to
time
number
3 minutes
6,
21 seconds.
Tuminatres, no good. Rebound to 77, pass to number 12, pass to number 6, Tuminatres, 3 points.
Shout out dyan sa 34 viewers. Salamat. Thanks for watching. 63.19.
Substitution.
Remaining time pa 2 minutes. 2 minutes lang and 58 seconds right. Oh my goodness. About. Kali lang tapos.
Number 17.
Isa na lang ka-game.
Pass to number 77.
Aldo!
Good. Pass to number 17.
Jersey number
Number 17, pass to number 77. Tuminatres.
Tira 3.
Good. Rebound to number 19. Para sa naka-blue.
Makasunod.
28. Good. Seven. Tumira. 3 points. Good. Rebound to 77. Pass to number 33. Tumira 3. Good. 77 again. Tumira 3. 3 points. jersey number 28, 2 points. Jersey number 1, pass to jersey number 6. Number 6, pass to number 17, 7-7. 7-7, number 3. Tuhod. Rebound to number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 11, 2 points. Jersey number 17, pass to number 6, Jimmy Andres. No good. Number 6 again. Four to 5 seconds. Two points. 31 seconds. Good. 20 seconds. Number 11, Jimmy Andres. 3 points. 15 seconds. 5 seconds.
Winner. Buyoan, Kasilayan.
And again, winner, Buwan Kansilayan. Noy Mao.
Congratulations.